All right, so learning goal number 4, you're going to find another spot in your math journal, and this is short and sweet. I can find congruent shapes. So just 2 vocab words to write down. First of all, we have a polygon is just any figure with many sides. And you're going to see a lot of examples in just a minute, but just jot that down. And then our big idea is, what does congruent mean? Well, it's figures that are the same size and shape.
And, not or.
Yes.
And, same size and the same shape.
Yes. So here's just a couple visuals to help you out. These are examples of polygons, and they're examples of congruent polygons or shapes.
Yep, like these ones, all they did was, it's just another one side by side. This one, they just flipped it.
Yeah.
So that will be, they're both congruent though.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're going to talk about what congruent isn't. So we just said congruent has to be the same size and the same shape. Now, these two look like the same shapes. This shape looks the same as this shape, but they are not the same size, so they are not congruent. These two, again, same shape, same triangle, but this one is smaller. So again, not congruent. They don't have the same size. And these ones, they're not even the same shape, much less the same size. So this one and this one, those are very different. They're both quadrilaterals. It's about as much as they have in common. Okay, so these ones are definitely not congruent. These are both arrows, but they're not the same arrow. They're not exactly the same. I couldn't take this little purple one and move it on top of this one and have it land exactly on top of it. I couldn't do that. And the same with this. These ones aren't. This is a triangle. This is a quadrilateral. So they don't have the same number of sides. So these are definitely not congruent because they're not the same shape.
So now we have some different shapes that you're going to...
Polygons.
Oh, polygons, yes. We're going to look at these closely, and you want to just take a moment and see, well, can I find some congruent shapes here? We'll give you a hint. There are 3 pairs.
Trace.
So take a moment, pause, and see if you can find them. All right, so looking here... Oh, I guess we show them all together. So this,
That's okay.
This is what you should have found. H over here and C, like if we, just like you were saying before, if we sort of slid them over together and did a little flip, they would be resting right on top of each other.
Or
They're
if you
congruent.
cut C out, you could paste it on top of H and it would land exactly on top.
Yes. And if you look at I here, just a little circle, and D, same thing. They would fit right on top of each other.
Now, K is also a circle, but it's not congruent. Again, same shape, not the same size.
New.
Jakes.
We're working together a lot, aren't we? So J and E are same shape, same size. Looks like you have to do a little flip to make them work, but once again, they're congruent because they can fit right on top of each other.
Yep. All right, so now it is your turn, and listen very carefully to the directions. There are 3 sets of congruent polygons, not 3 pairs, so don't get tricked. So you should be looking for 3 sets of congruent polygons. So go ahead and list those, and I guess you could even draw them if you wanted to, or you can just list them, but depends on how artsy you want to be. And that's what we're going to be looking over in your journal. So short and sweet. Good luck.
Oh, and there might be a little bonus.
Is there? Oh, there's bonus. Make your own. Haha.
Yes. So our creative ones will really get a kick out of that.
Open Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style.